My name is Narayana. Today topic is operating systems and applications. Okay, let's go start the video. Okay, operating system. Operating system are essential software that manage the computer hardware and software resources and providing the services from computer programs. Their applications span various domains and including the personal computing, enterprise systems, and specialized devices. Okay, what is mean by operating system is, for example, I will give you your mobile will have operating system, right? OS. And I mean, some mobiles having OS, some mobiles having Android. So these are the operating systems, right? So operating systems is essential software that manage the computer hardware and software resources and providing the services for computer programs and their applications span various domains, including the personal computing and enterprise systems. Okay, and specialized the devices. In below, we have some key applications of the operating systems. I will explain one by one. Okay, personal computing. Personal computing means we have the different desktops, laptops, managements. These are the personal computers. Okay, in this personal computer, operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux are used to manage the personal computers, enabling the task like word processing, web processing, and multimedia playing back playback. Okay, multimedia playback. For example, your computer having different types of apps. Okay, different types of softwares. For example, you have Windows software, i3 core, Intel i3 core Windows, and MacBook. These are the different types of personal computing softwares, right? OS. So these are the examples. For example, mobile. For example, you can take mobile devices, operating systems like Android, iOS, Power, smartphones, or tablets, offering features like app management, interface, and connectivity. For example, we have your mobile have different types of applications, right? So one is Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, YouTube. Okay, mail. These are the applications, right? So in these applications, your mobile is providing Android software and ISO software. Okay, like these type of softwares are giving the some futures, right? Like your smartphones and tablets are offering features like app management. We have to cloning the apps, right? uh, in one mobile we have to use two two apps, right, at a time. Okay, these type of interfaces, touch screen fast, mean touch screen sensing, and these are the connectivities. Okay, these type of personal computing having. So next, enterprises and business applications. For example, your server management, OS like a Linux, Windows services, and Unix management services in the data centers, right? Handling tasks like a database hosting, web services, and file storage. For example, your server management. For example, I will give you Amazon, right? In Amazon, we have different types of products. Okay, in these products, we have different types of windows, right? So there, that type of windows or that type of services we have to manage, giving the database hosting like web services or file storages, this type of. Okay, and business applications like cloud computing. What is the cloud computing means? We have to store huge amount of data in cloud, right? So these type of applications or operating systems like AWS, Amazon Linux, or Google uh, Kubernetes, OS support, virtualization, resources allocations. Okay, this type of different. Next, network management. In network management, we have specialized OS like Cisco OS are using in networking devices, or uh, routing, switching. Okay, and network security. For example, some of the companies are giving Cisco. LAN connections, WAN connections, because some of the employees are doing work from home, right? So this Cisco will connect to the office service, office server to your laptop where we are working. So these type of connection, network connections are providing by the enterprises and business applications. Okay, next application is real time systems. Okay, what are the real time operating system means? What is the use of these? Okay, I will explain. Industrial automations in real time operating systems means RTOS are used to manufacturing for the process control or robotics or machineries. Okay, these are real time operating system we is helping to connect or implement connect or implementing the process controls, robotics, and machineries. Okay, and also some medical devices also using for RTOS, real time systems, right? So RTOS power devices like a fa- pacemakers, MRI scans, MRI scan machines, and patient monitoring system, right? So these are okay, and also aerospace is also having the OSS, right? OS are used to flight systems, satellites, and space missions where timing is critical situations. Some critical timings also voice is helpful to contact with other devices to the customer. Okay, it will help. Next, embedded systems. Some embedded systems also OSs are using because customer electronics like your mobile phones or TVs, washing machines, these type of operating system provide power devices like a smart TVs, gaming clones, and cameras. These are the main uses of embedded system. In, for example, automotive domain also using automotive systems OS like QNX or Arduino automotives are used for in cars, entertainment, navigations, autonomous driving. Aut- okay, okay. These type of OSs are also used in automotive systems. Next, security and surveillance. What is the use of this OS means? It will provide the okay. It will provide different types of securities, cyber security tools. For example, your cyber security tools also having OS. What is the OS? What is the use of it means? In security, cyber security means operating systems like Kernel, Linux are used for the penetration testing and security assessments. For example, your mobile is hacked. What is the after that? What you are doing? You are complaining to the security. They connected your server or your mobile and they tested which server is accessing your mobile. So these type of helpful OSs are there. Okay, surveillance and systems. In these surveillances or systems we are using cameras, right? Parking cameras or vehicle monitoring cameras in highways. Okay, these type of cameras also having some OSs managing the video processing and storage and analy- analytic of surveillance cameras. Okay, it will provide the surveillance of cameras also. Okay, that's it. Okay, gaming and multimedia. For example, your mobiles are having gaming, right? Some this gaming, if you, for example, I will take PUBG mobiles. Okay, PUBG mobile, it has separate OS, right? It has separate OS, it has a separate software to access. Okay, this type of gaming consoles are also having separate OSs. The custom operating systems are used in consoles like PlayStations and Xbox to optimizing the gaming performance, right? Your systems having some Xbox operating systems gaming performances. So this type of graphic cards. Okay, it has a separate OS. Okay, this type of OS also having like coming to multimedia production. For example, we are using to video editing. For example, you are video editing animations and music productions. This type of uh, video editing, animations, this type of production modules also having separate OS to communicate. For example, separate video editing, we have uh, Keel software, and also having some AI tools also get to edit the videos. So animations, these type of OSs are there. Okay. IoT, Internet of Things. IoT means here the Internet of Things. For example, your um, smart home. We have smart home. We have automatic door lock system. Your some houses have the passwords, right, to open the door. So this type of uh, um, smart devices also having light lightweight operating systems like FreeRTOS and TinyOS Power IoT devices such as the smart thermometers, wearables devices, and home automation systems. Okay, this type of operating systems are the fundamentals to modern technologies, supporting the vast range of applications. Right, some different types of applications it will encourage to communicate with the present technologies. So these are the main applications of operating systems, and what are these are the operating what is meant by operating system and its applications. I completed. Okay, if you have any doubt or any queries, please comment on comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all.